Hello, welcome back to Uptake Online. It's me again, Sabit Christopher. Today I'm going to show you if you have data and you feel like you need to put a row every after your data field row, like how you see this. We are going to do that together. So the data is this, compacted like this, but you need to have a row, a blank row every after an entry. So how do you do this? The first thing is you're going to create a column. Right click on the first one and insert a column. So I'm going to call this column row. Then you'll number your data which is already existing, that is 1 and 2. Then I can select these two, double click on the crosshair such that it fills up to the end. So we have 99 transactions. So I will copy the 99 numbers, that is a control copy. Then I start from the end where I've stopped, I paste them. Then after that, insert a filter. Then you sort this from A to Z. And there you go, you'll have the blank spaces. And the next thing is deleting the column you inserted. And that is it. Please keep watching and like our videos, subscribe, and we meet you in the next video. Bye bye.